Standard 6th Maths Chapter 17 Geometrical Constructions Practice Set 40. First question. Draw line L, take point P anywhere outside the line. So this first we will do, draw line L. So line L. Take point P anywhere outside the line. So this is point P outside the line. Okay. Now using a set square, draw line PQ perpendicular to the line. Now we have to use set square. See, these are the set square. So they want us to draw perpendicular line. So first, ये जो base है ना नीचे का, ये जो line, in that base we have to place it. ऐसे ये पूरा सीधा आया इधर और यहाँ पे पॉइंट. सो परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. दिस इज PQ. Okay. Let's go to second sums. Second sums. Draw line AB, take point M anywhere outside the line. Using a compass and ruler, draw a line MN perpendicular to line AB. So let's start. First we have to draw a line. So a straight line. Since measure has not been given, measure नहीं दिया है, तो आप any measure का line बना सकते हो. Draw any length line. Now they have named it A, B. Now take point M anywhere outside. So assume this is point M. Point M. Now from point M, take your compass. See, this is compass. So keep your compass point or tip in the dot which we have assumed, and from there open any measure. इसको ना वाइड करो अपने हिसाब से, बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं. यहाँ से आपका ये जो लाइन ड्रॉ है वो कट हो सके उतना वाइड ओपन करना है. So see this and this. So what we did, we divided the given line in a proper measure segment. हमने एक सेगमेंट के तौर पे इसको डिवाइड कर दिया. नाउ व्हाट हैपन, ये जो इतना डिवाइड हुआ है ना, ये हमारा सेगमेंट हुआ. सो इन दैट वी विल कीप दिस टिप एंड विल टेक मोर देन हाफ. आधे से ज़्यादा लेंगे. सी, मोर देन हाफ. यहाँ तक है सेगमेंट फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर. सो मोर देन हाफ. नाउ टेक अ आर्क in bottom side. Take a arc in bottom and from both the side. So this is your point of intersection. Now this point and the point which we have assumed, this So this is perpendicular line. Now they have given name only A and B and this point M. So the segment which we have drawn, there we have to name. So PQ, this intersection R, then here N. Okay. Third question, draw a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter. This time they have given a fixed measurement. So 5.5 centimeter. So this is your 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ye this 0.5. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 0.5. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then this 0.5. 5.5. So fixed segment. This is said to be segment. We have been given this segment this time and we have to draw bisect of this line. So take your compass, your tip in one corner of your segment, then take more than half. आधे से ज़्यादा लो. देखो ये लाइन इतना है ना, उसका आधे से ज़्यादा, more than half. Then take arc up and down. ऊपर और नीचे arc draw करना है. And then from this side again up and down draw an arc. See, we get two intersecting point. This two intersecting point is said to be bisect line. Now see, they have given A, B. Measure is 5.5. This intersection is P. We will give the name M, N. You can put any name. अब ये जो bisect, ये जो word है bisect, इसका मतलब हुआ equal. So this two segment is equally divided. Let's see next sums. Take a point R on the line XY. So first draw a line XY. Any measure as they have not mentioned. So this is line XY. So take a point R on the line. So R anywhere. So this is R. Draw a line perpendicular to XY at a R. परपेंडिकुलर का मतलब क्या हुआ, किसी भी लाइन में एक 90 डिग्री स्ट्रेट लाइन, टेढ़ी लाइन नहीं. दिस इज नॉट अ परपेंडिकुलर. अ स्ट्रेट लाइन इज सेड टू बी परपेंडिकुलर. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेट स्क्वायर, ये जो नीचे की लाइन है इसमें स्ट्रेट रखना है. एंड देन सी दिस. This is a perpendicular line. So you can name it. This is already named, so only here we need. So alphabet which is not used, that you can name it.